Hi, my name is Mimi Samsoneth, and you're watching Simple S Blend Sounds Book on One Mom's Perspective. Start with a snake image. Thread a pipe cleaner to that and tape it to a folder. Allie sounds out the S on the line until it reaches the image.
Switch. Swim.
Unless new words are whispered to her, she will describe what she sees.
Bathing shoes.
Swimsuit.
To avoid that, I whisper to her first.
It's your skin.
Skin. She. See. Shoes.
Insert a page of sentences
At.
to also teach about the different types of stores.
The shoes door. Lake.
That's a very long
This is home.
Thanks for watching.